Are you ready to take control of your phone number? We're here to help you seamlessly port your number to our service. Let's dive into the simple process. Step 1. Get started by signing up. You have two options. First, visit our website and hit the Try for Free button. Choose a free number by entering a city name, zip code or area code. Create your account, and then download our app. Alternatively, you can directly download our app from the App Store. Create an account, and select a number. Enter your full name, and then select a free number using a city name, zip code or area code. Step 2. Contact our support team. Once you've chosen a number and created your account, it's time to reach out to our dedicated support team. Open the app on your mobile device, tap on your user profile at the top right of the dashboard, select Help and Support at the bottom and then tap on Contact Support. Write a message to our support team requesting to port your existing number. Step 3. Send the required information. Our support team will guide you through the next steps. They will ask you to provide a copy of your latest phone bill from your current provider and the phone numbers you wish to port. Once they receive this information, they will send you a letter of authorization to sign digitally. Step 4. Sit back and relax. After you've signed the LOA, our team will take it from there. We'll handle the number porting process on your behalf, ensuring a smooth transition and keeping you updated on the progress. That's all it takes. By following these simple steps, you'll be on your way to enjoying your existing phone number with our service. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our support team is just a message away. We're here to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. Happy porting!